Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this mesh office chair. It could be a productivity chair or also gaming chair if you have for like home office. This chair is actually really good. There are a few things that I like about this chair. So number one, let's start with the assemble process. Assemble process, it's going to take you no more than 20 minutes. If you have power tools, probably 15 or 20 minutes, no more than that. Also, this one supports 500 pounds. So I think actually just judging by the size of this chair, that's actually quite a lot of weight because this is not one of those like super big and bulky and tall office chair. This is a good mesh office chair actually that supports 300 pounds. A few things about this one. So number one, right here, you have a really good and elastic but firm mesh all over the chair. So this is a breathable chair, meaning that you can actually use it during summer days, during hot days, and you won't be sweating that much. The same mesh right here, but more firm, more kind of like elastic to support all that weight. And this right here, I think is the best part. You have this really nice support over here for your lower back area that you can actually adjust. You can actually push it all the way to the front. And that was gonna give you that really nice like 90 degrees posture that you need when you're sitting for long periods of time, and especially down here on your lower back area. Another good thing, you can actually modify the height and tilt this headrest over here, as you can see. So I'm 5'10", I weigh 190 pounds. And you can see that this one, I still have room over here to lift this one a little bit up. So I want to say that probably this is a good chair for people up to 6'2", 6'3". If you're taller than that, probably check another chair because this one could be a little small for you. You can see the whole structure over here, which is super firm and stable. But some other good thing is right here. So you're going to find that this one, you can actually push it all the way to the back, all the way to the front, angle it outside and angle inside. So these are really good for elbow support. Something about this one is that you can't modify the height on the armrest, but these are flippable armrests, as you can see over here. So you can put the chair in a storage position and save some space underneath your desk. And these armrests are also padded with a really nice and soft leather. But I think probably the best thing about this chair, well, like every other chair, you can just modify the height just like that. But now it is locked. I'm gonna lock it, unlock it. And this right here has a really nice reclining rocking feature. So this is kind of like nice. You can see that my head is resting right here on the headrest. So this is a nice one to kind of like chill and relax. Think about your day and think about all the work that you're gonna do in this super comfy mesh, breathable mesh office chair. I like it. I'm gonna give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you soon.